Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into an exciting English noun, abundance. Abundance means a large quantity or a plentiful amount of something. When we use abundance in English, we're talking about having more than enough of something, whether that's food, opportunities, resources, or even emotions like joy or kindness. Imagine walking into a garden filled with a variety of blooming flowers in every color. You'd say that garden has an abundance of flowers. It's not just a few, it's overflowing. Let's go over some synonyms for abundance to give you even more ways to express this idea. Words like plenty, profusion, bounty, and wealth carry similar meanings. For instance, you could say, there was a profusion of choices at the buffet, or we experienced a bounty of support from the community. These words add variety to your speech, but still communicate the sense of plentifulness. On the other hand, there are also antonyms of abundance to convey the opposite idea, such as scarcity, lack, shortage, and deficiency. For example, during the drought, there was a scarcity of water, or the shortage of materials delayed the project. These words remind us of times when there isn't enough of something. In everyday life, we might say things like, she has an abundance of energy, or there's an abundance of information available online these days. We can also hear expressions like, the holiday season brings an abundance of joy and laughter. These phrases highlight how common and versatile abundance can be in various situations, from talking about physical quantities to describing feelings or intangible things. Let's practice using abundance in a few sentences. After the harvest, the farmers celebrated the abundance of crops. Thanks to the team's hard work, we have an abundance of new ideas for the project. The library offers an abundance of resources for research and learning. Notice how each sentence uses abundance to express a sense of more than enough. All right, to wrap up, today we've explored the word abundance, meaning a large quantity or plenty of something. We looked at synonyms like plenty and bounty, as well as antonyms like scarcity and shortage. I hope you'll find ways to use abundance in your own conversations and writing. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and consider leaving us a review. Your support really helps others find the show. And here's a fun challenge for you. Try creating your own sentence using abundance and share it in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.